Crash Course: Chile's Mining Industry. Introduction. Chile's mining industry has played a vital role in the country's economy for centuries. With its rich mineral resources and a long history of mining, Chile has become a global powerhouse in the extraction and exportation of minerals. In this crash course, we will delve into the intriguing world of Chilean mining, exploring its significance, notable stories, and the top 12 mining industries in the country. 1. The historical legacy. Mining in Chile dates back to pre-Columbian times when indigenous communities, such as the Mapuche, extracted minerals like gold and copper. Spanish colonization further intensified mining activities, primarily for silver and gold. 2. The discovery of Chilean copper. In the 19th century, Chile's potential as a major copper producer became evident. The rich deposits of the mineral in the Atacama Desert attracted foreign companies, such as Anaconda Copper and Kennecott Copper Corporation, which played a significant role in the industry's growth. 3. The Chuquicamata Mine. Located in the northern region of Chile, the Chuquicamata Mine is one of the world's largest open-pit copper mines. Its vast scale and production volume have made it an iconic symbol of Chilean mining prowess. 4. Copper exports. Copper is the backbone of Chile's mining industry and a cornerstone of its economy. The country is the largest producer and exporter of copper globally, supplying a significant portion of the world's demand. 5. The mining of nitrate. Chile was also known for its production of natural nitrate, a key ingredient in fertilizers and explosives. The extraction of nitrate played a crucial role in the country's economy during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. 6. The nitrate towns. The mining of nitrate led to the establishment of numerous towns in the Atacama Desert, known as nitrate towns. These towns, such as Humberstone and Santa Laura, are now abandoned and have become UNESCO World Heritage Sites, offering a glimpse into Chile's mining past. 7. Gold and silver mining. While copper dominates Chile's mining industry, gold and silver also hold significance. Gold mining has a long history, with notable deposits found in the El Indio Belt and the Atacama region. Silver mining, although less prominent, has contributed to Chile's mineral wealth. 8. Lithium extraction. Chile possesses vast lithium reserves, making it a prominent player in the global lithium market. Lithium is a key component in batteries used for electric vehicles and renewable energy storage, positioning Chile as a vital contributor to the green energy transition. 9. The Atacama Salt Flat. The Atacama Salt Flat, located in northern Chile, is the largest lithium-producing area in the country. The extraction of lithium from brine pools has become a significant economic activity, attracting international investment. 10. Coal mining. Chile has substantial coal reserves, primarily located in the Magallanes region. While coal mining has declined in recent years due to the global shift towards cleaner energy sources, it has historically played a role in Chile's energy production. 11. Iron ore mining. Chile is home to significant iron ore deposits, particularly in the northern regions. Iron ore mining contributes to both domestic consumption and exportation, with Chile being an important supplier to global markets. 12. Molybdenum and rhenium mining. Chile is one of the leading producers of molybdenum and rhenium, which are essential in various industries. Molybdenum is used in stainless steel production, while rhenium is crucial for aerospace and electronics applications. Summarization. Chile's mining industry has shaped the country's history, economy, and global standing. From the discovery of copper to the extraction of lithium, Chile has emerged as a major player in the international mining scene. Its rich mineral resources, including copper, gold, silver, lithium, and more, have fueled economic growth and technological advancements. The industry's legacy, from the ancient mining practices of indigenous communities to modern-day megamines, showcases Chile's ability to adapt and thrive in the ever-evolving mining landscape. Poem. Beneath the Chilean soil, a world unfolds, where minerals gleam and stories are told. From ancient hands to modern mines, mining's tale through time unwinds. Copper's reign, a legacy strong. From Chuquicamata, we sing its song. Nitrate's boom, the desert's gift. In abandoned towns, memories drift. Gold and silver, precious and rare. Their gleam reflects a miner's prayer. Lithium's rise, a green frontier. Chile's role in a world sincere. Coal's embrace, a fading fire. Iron's strength, a nation's desire. Molybdenum and rhenium's might. Forging futures, shining bright. In Chile's mines, a nation thrives. where Earth's treasures come alive. Through toil and innovations leap. Chile's mining heritage, forever deep. Song. Verse 1. Beneath the Andean peaks so high, Chile's mining spirit, it does fly. From copper's glow to lithium's might, the Earth's treasures, a guiding light. Chorus. In the mines of Chile, where legends reside, a story of resilience, forever tied. From ancient tribes to modern days, mining's heartbeat, in myriad ways. Verse 2. Chuquicamata's open pit, a symbol of strength, where dreams are lit. In nitrate towns, whispers remain, echoes of progress, a proud refrain. Bridge. From copper's crown to lithium's embrace, Chile's mining tapestry, a vibrant space. With every mineral's shining gleam, the nation's vision, a boundless dream. Chorus. In the mines of Chile, where legends reside, a story of resilience, forever tied. From ancient tribes to modern days, mining's heartbeat, in myriad ways. Outro. As Chile's mining legacy shines on, the spirit of exploration, forever strong. Embrace the depths, let the treasures unfold. In Chile's mining tale, a story untold. ******, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.